Today we're addressing a common issue and sharing best practices on how to interact with consulting engineers who write and administer construction-related specifications. When an engineer writes a specification, it's common for them to cite a standard for a product to adhere to and to list pre-approved manufacturers who meet that standard. It's also common for engineers to summarize key features they want to see included in the product. Occasionally, confusion can occur when an approved manufacturer meets the cited standard but does not meet the engineer's summarized points. For example, we recently encountered this with an ASTM standard for heavy-duty, no-hub couplings. The engineering spec listed an ASTM standard which recognized two types of stainless. Type 301 is specified and Type 304 is permitted, but the engineer then referred specifically and only to 304. Of the 5 manufacturers that were pre-approved, only 2 manufacturers used 304 stainless, while the other 3 manufacturers used 301. But because of the additional summary point making a specific reference to 304, this seemingly disqualified 3 of the 5 manufacturers. Here are some things to keep in mind if you encounter this yourself. So number 1, make sure you have a copy of the engineer's spec on hand so that you're not forced to rely solely on another person's summary. Secondly, it's a good idea to get an up-to-date copy of the specific standard that's required. You can do this by either buying a copy directly from the standard organization's website, or you can ask your product's manufacturer and they can tell you what's in it. If you see a discrepancy, be sure to submit your questions to the engineer as early as possible rather than waiting to the last minute or even until after the submittal has been turned down. And finally, think long-term. Minimizing back and forth, addressing issues promptly ensures a mutual respect for each other's time and expertise, leading to stronger professional ties and better project outcomes. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or email. Thanks for watching.